Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word document. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Word document and then if you want to insert a table, then just click on insert. And here you will see a table option. Just click on it. And from here you can select multiple rows and columns and it will be automatically added in your document. But if you want to insert table manually, then click on insert table and here you can select any number of rows and number of columns. For example, I want to select 5 number of columns and here I want to select 7 number of rows and then just click on OK. And you can see we have manually added a table in the Word document. And if I want to adjust the width and height of columns, then just click on it and move left to right. And you can see we have adjusted the width of columns. And if I want to adjust the height of column, then just click here and press like this. So guys, in this way you can adjust the height and width of table in the Microsoft Word document. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.